Now I am going to explain you about the place is called na and ta. How you have to hit, how you have to keep your position, all I am going to explain you. Na and ta, same place. Na and ta, same place, same sound, but name is two. Same place, same sound, but name is two. Wrist need to be stay 4 centimeter lower than your knuckle, lower than the tabla, 4 centimeter lower. Index finger you have to hit and bounce. Index finger you have to hit and bounce. Pinky and thumb, no any work inside. The third finger, first, second and third finger. Third finger always bending. The index finger stay here and the middle finger is like this. And then you have to hit. The elbow need to be very relaxed, shoulder need to be very relaxed. All energy is coming through to your chest, to shoulder and elbow, and then go to na and ta. Now second is coming tun. Tun. Tun is everything, all finger is going to be in the air and very relaxed and same energy, same position, everything like a na, and just hit and bounce. And wrist have to be same like before, just very relax your hand, and shoulder, elbow, all need to be very relaxed. That is called na, tun, 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 tun. Next sound we are coming the te, te. 3 finger center is called te. 3 finger in the center is called te. Wrist have to be same and slapping from the elbow. Slapping from the elbow, very relaxed. And then te, 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 te. Very relaxed, slap, very relaxed, slap. Now we are going on the left hand on the dagga. All finger stay like a cobra and very relaxed all the time from the wrist, elbow and shoulder, and just you have to hit with your 2 finger. Hit and bend inside, hit and bend inside, hit and bend inside, and very relaxed. That is called gay. That sound is called gay. That sound is called gay. Now I am going to explain you 2 sound combination, and we are also doing this is exercise every day for to make the nice your sound na and gay. Na, gay, na, gay, na, gay, na, gay, na, gay, na, gay, na, gay. Now I am going to explain you tun, na, tun, na, tun, na, tun, na, tun, na, tun, na. Now I am going to explain you dha. Na plus ge is equal to dha. Na plus ge is equal to dha. Ta plus ge is equal to dha. Na plus ge is equal to dha. 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 Ta plus ge is equal to dha. Dha. Now going to explain you dhin na. Dhin na. Tun plus ge is equal to dhin. na, dhin na, dhin na, dhin na.